83 days to go for me to go on mission to Guinea-Bissau. And today we're talking about finances, starting with the greatest, biggest, most amazing thanks ever, because together we have raised 1,793 euros and 1 cent. Yes, 1 cent, because people donated in dollars and guilders as well. So thank you so much. We're almost at the 2,000. And even though the duration changed for this first mission from 1 month to 2 weeks, the total amount of 2,000 is still staying because I forgot a couple of expenses like vaccinations, malaria pills, and camping equipment, because the days we're traveling to the village, we'll be staying in tents. So I forgot a couple of things, which is okay. It'll still be enough. And whatever is left from the total pot will go to the next pot for the next mission I will be going to, which will be this year as well. I just don't know when precisely yet, but of course, once I know more, I will keep you guys up to date. Those were the finances of today, and see you next time.